Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade threat detection with CrowdStrike, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your threat detection with CrowdStrike, begin by creating a CrowdStrike account on their official website. Once your account is set up, log into the CrowdStrike Falcon console. Navigate to the configuration menu in the left sidebar. Select Sensor Downloads to access the various sensor options available for your organization. Choose the appropriate sensor for your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Download the sensor to your device and follow the installation instructions provided. After installation, the sensor will automatically communicate with the CrowdStrike Falcon platform. Next, ensure that your sensor is up to date by checking the version in the Falcon console under the Sensor section. To enhance threat detection, explore the prevention settings found in the console. Activate advanced threat detection features such as malicious content and exploit prevention. Configure custom detection policies tailored to the specific. Utilize the Threat Intelligence section to stay informed about current and emerging threats. Engage in regular threat hunting activities using the search feature to investigate suspicious behaviors. Review alerts promptly by checking the Alerts tab for insights on detected threats. Set up automated responses for incidents by configuring the response settings. Finally, schedule regular training sessions for your team to ensure everyone understands how to utilize CrowdStrike's tools effectively. By following these steps, you will strengthen your threat detection capabilities with CrowdStrike. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.